Hello, in front of me I've got glorious Model O2 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to adjust key bindings. In the beginning, let's go to Glorious Core and go to key binding. Here you can adjust key binding for left, middle click, right click, DPI cycle up, forward and back. Simply select button and then select function. You can select keystroke, mouse function, macro, multimedia, shortcut or disable. Select the function and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.